Hi students! We are going to go through all of the slides together. Then you will have a chance to fill in the questions with your knowledge. Let's go over our learning targets or our learning goals. One of them is I can use mental strategies to fluently add and subtract with sums and minuends to 20. I can determine whether two expressions are equal. You are in the first part of the lesson watching the video. Sometime during the lesson, I'm going to ask you a mystery question. This is where you will put your answers, so keep your ears listening. Okay. Activities number 1, addition and subtraction equations. 12 equals blank plus 5. Think, what number is missing from this equation? Blank plus 5 equals 12. Turn and talk. In this lesson, I'd like you to click the record button. Now, share what number is missing and how you know. Remember to give evidence of how you know which number is missing. Ooh, here we have another equation. What number is missing from this equation? On one side of the equation, I see 3 plus 7 equals 6 plus what? So as you think, I'm going to model 3 plus 7 on the number rack as you think. Here's our number rack. Oops. To show the equation 3 plus 7, I'm going to put 3 on one side and count plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, that's not what I want. 7. If I add them all together, I get 10. How can you use this information and the equation 3 plus 7 to balance the other side of the equation equal 6 plus what? How can you use the number rack to find the missing number? Well, I know that 3 plus 7 equals 10. If I also find 6 plus what equals 10, my missing number is 4. Now look at this equation. 8 plus what equals 9 plus 1? Think quietly, then talk to a partner about this equation. Look at the equation, then make a recording. I would use my number rack to solve this. And first, solve 8. 8 plus what equals 9 plus 1? Well, here on the bottom, 9 plus 1 equals 10. 8 plus what equals 9? Record how you know your answer. This is the last part of our lesson today. You do not need to do anything on this page. This is just for information. Okay. I'd like you to look at this first equation. N plus 9 equals 4 plus 8. There's something different about this equation, right? You can use a blank or a letter, in this case N, to stand for a missing number. N stands for number, so some number plus 9 equals the same as 4 plus 8. They have to be balanced because it's an equal equation. In this equation, I see 16 minus 9 equals 12 minus what? What goes in the blank to balance that equation? These types of equations are called relational thinking. These types of equations show us the relationships among the numbers on each side of the equal sign. We'll do more work with this soon. You're going to do some practice on addition and subtraction mixed review today. So work on this, and I would like you to go back and fill in the blanks for each of the equations and make the recordings that explain how you know. On the first page, your mystery question is, what was the most fun thing you did over fall break? Please let me know. You can write or record your answer.